Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can complete your Dr. X task and linking of your multiverse wallet address. Okay, so the video is going to be a bit lengthy, but I'll try my best to make it as short as possible. Right, so first and foremost we want to download and install. Of course, I've already downloaded and installed a multiverse wallet, which is an exporter, right? So here is how it looks. So you can just go to Play Store, and then because you'll be needing it, that's why I want to do so. You search for exporter, right? So look at it here. You click on it. I've downloaded it already. This is how it looks, but in your case you may have to just download it after. So you click on it to open. After downloading, this is mine, and just the same way I've made videos on how to create wallet. Okay, now if you have exporter wallet elsewhere, you just click here to import, right? But we do not have, and we just want to create a fresh one, right? You can import using your secret phrase or your private key. So but in my case, we want to create a wallet, so just click on it and then you input passcode, right? Create passcode, then you input passcode that you can remember. This passcode will unlock your wallet, but can't be used to recover it. So it's going to be a 4-digit passcode, the one you can remember, right? Enter exporter, enjoy exporter. Your wallet is now ready. So it's just as simple as that. You click to enter, and okay, now we will be using this later on. Okay, now let's go back to the Dr. X. You can see this is the task. You just click on it. Make sure you have a steady network and you'll be redirected to this place. You're going to perform certain tasks, just all these tasks. You can take your time to read through them, right? And after, you click on this to check this, so that this will be highlighted for you to continue the process. Then you click on start, and here are this is the first step of the text of the task, right? Rather, so you'll be needing your Confluent. These are projects that are being mined under the ICE Open Network, okay? And you'll be needing, for there are more than this, but you'll be needing all these numbers, okay? This is Sunwave, you have Confluent, Sealand, and Crypto Mayor. So if you are not on any of these projects, you can't finish this. So all you have to do is just to start any of the projects, right? So that your effort on Dr. X won't be a waste. If you are not on it, if you come to my channel on Telegram or in the description box of this video, I'm going to see link to all this mining or airdrop, because you'll be needing the secret code to complete this task. So we're just going to click on this now. Now this is Sunwave, automatically on Sunwave. So we'll head over to our Sunwave and copy something. So this is Sunwave. This is your profile icon. You click on it and click on this gear or setting icon, and you are going to be seeing verification code. This is what you need. You click on it and then click on copy, then head over to that site. Do you see this place? Make sure it works better with a phone with good refresh rate. So you're just going to click to paste the code, and then click on mark as complete. Okay, and automatically you'll be moved to the second one, which is you've completed Sunwave. Now you'll be automatically moved to Confluent. Then we'll go over to Confluent. I'm mining Confluent on Telegram, so I'll just head over to Telegram and then look for my Confluent, and then head over to my profile, then click on this. Now if you are mining on Telegram, this is the only thing that will pop up. You just have to click to copy, and by that you see this. Sorry about that. You just click and copy, and then you head over to that site again and click here to paste. Then you click on mark as complete. So you'll be moved to the next one, which is what? See send. So I'm just going to pause the video. I don't want it to be lengthy. Then after the see send, I will do for crypto mayors, okay? And that is the only time that this verify will pop up. So as soon as you are done with the last one, which is crypto mayors, the newest project, then this will the interface will change and this verify will pop up. It might go, it might fail. If it fails, we do it again. If it doesn't fail, if you fail up to 3 times, you don't have any chance till after 24 hours. So you remember, you need to do this because the mining of this particular Dr. S ends on the 4th, and then we'll begin to talk about the listing. So I'm just going to click on verify now, and we'll wait for the countdown to know if we are going to be successful or not. So voila, we passed it, as you can see. Then we click on continue, and we'll have, this is X verification now. So you need to have your X account ready because you are going to complete the task on X. These are the tasks you need to do. I'm just going to do the first one, then so that you see how to do it. Okay, the first one has to do with copying this and going to your X to make a post, and you copy the link to that post and post here right before you continue. So I'm copying, and then let me head over to my X. Yeah, so this is my X right now. So I hope you know how to make a new post. You just click on this plus sign and then click on post, post, and of course you just paste that which you have copied, right? You don't need to do any other thing, you just post it. And after posting it, go over how do you get the link to this post that you just made. Now you go over to your profile, and then you click on this profile. When you click on it, you're going to see the very first post you're going to see is the post you just made. You can see 14 seconds ago. Then you click on this share button. When you click on the share button, you are going to see copy link. And you copy the link. We'll head over to that place again, and then this is the place you're going to paste it. You paste it there. That is the link to the post on X. Okay, when you paste it there, you click on mark as complete. Yes, you can see that has been completed. Then you'll be redirected to, this one will be highlighted, the next one will be highlighted now, which has to do with follow us on X. So you just click on this follow us on X, this blue now, and that is how you're going to do for the rest until you have done the last one, which is follows you on X. It is after then that this verify will be highlighted. So I'm going to pause the video having known how to do it, and then let me complete it because the video, like I said, is getting lengthy. It is this place that is written here now that you're going to click. Then you'll be redirected to your X. Then you go to X. I'm already following them, so I'll just go back and of course click on mark as complete. Right, so let me complete the rest. So we are done with the very last, and then we have to click on verify, and we'll wait for the countdown. Okay, this is one of the challenges. It has failed, so we'll just have to do it again. You might as well encounter this kind of challenge, but then you don't have to be deterred. You have to do it again, follow the step again, and you have only 3 attempts within 24 hours, you can see. So let's do it again. Okay, so we got verified at the 3rd attempt. I tried the second time, it didn't work, but you can see it's been verified. So what all you need to do is, when you make that post, allow the post to last for at least 1 minute, and of course you can add an engagement to that post, like that post, and comment on the post on your own, right? And you are good to go. So that is it. Then we can click on this continue now to move on to the next task, and this has to do with your Telegram verification. So you need to, the very Telegram you are active or you have used to join their channel, that is the one you are going to link up here. So the first one is your username. Okay, so you get your Telegram username. I want to believe you already know how to get your Telegram username by now. You paste it here, and then you click on mark as completed. So the next thing is that you join the Telegram channel, and then of course you go back and click as marked. Then you also click here to join ICE network. Finally you join multivax before you click on verify. You can see we've passed this one immediately, and we're going to click on continue. So you're saying that you should add eyes to, not really the last, it might not be the last for you, I don't know. Add eyes network to coin market cap. This is coin market cap verification now. So you're just going to click here and be directed to your coin market cap. Maybe you have account or you do not have account. If you have account, simply use the app. If you don't, then you use Chrome or you create an account with them. So you add it to your list, you add it to your watch list. Okay, then you go back, you click mark as complete. Then you have to follow the same ICE network on CoinMarketCap. You click, you'll be redirected back there again. Okay, I've performed all this task in one of the tasks. Okay, you click on mark, then comment on coin market cap. So just leave any comments anyhow you want it to be. To do that, all you need to do is just search for ICE network, ICE. Okay, from your coin market cap, you click on it, this first one, click on it, and of course you are going to click on community, right? And over here you're going to see this search bar or this keyboard. Click on it, and of course you can see eyes has been highlighted already. You can just do maybe thumbs up or whatever, or eyes to the moon, right? Just any positive comment, then send it. So after commenting on the community, you just go back to the overview, and then you scroll down. Since this is eyes, and scroll down, you're going to see your post. Okay, you can see this is me now. This is me. I've made 2 comments right now, so I'm going to copy the link to the first one. And how do I do that? Right, all you need to do is to click on this three-dotted line, and then you're going to see copy link, share link. So just click on this and copy link, and you move down to that place, you paste it here, and then click mark as complete, right? And then you click on verify. So you can see we've passed it. So click on continue, and finally token distribution. This is the last one, and this is where we'll be needing that exporter wallet address. So we are going to go back to the exporter right now, and of course copy the wallet address. It's the public address that you'll be copying. I'm going to authenticate to login now. So you can just click on this place to copy the wallet address, that is public address, or you click on this, your profile icon. Ordinarily you could have just copied it from that home page, but what happens is that you must do your backup, your seed phrase backup first before you be allowed to copy. So, and if you click on this main wallet now, right, you will see that they will prompt you to do backup, and that's what I'm going to do before the wallet address will be disposed for me to copy. So you click on that, and then you're going to see the types of backup: Google Drive backup, manual backup. So I prefer you do manual backup. You can do both, but I prefer you do manual backup, where you copy the seed phrase yourself and save it in a good place. So when you are here, you click on view secret phrase. Okay, yeah, and then you follow the instructions. I understand, blah blah blah. You should know how to do all this, so I'm just going to skip all this. So after viewing the secret phrase, then you click on manual backup. When you click on manual backup, you are going to be required to input the secret phrase in the order that you have seen it from 1 to 24. So you do that before this confirm will be highlighted. So you can see backup successfully created. So you can click here to continue now, and then that is when our stuff will be okay. That is when our wallet address will be reviewed. So when you click on that place, now you're going to see this is the wallet address you're expected to copy. So you copy it, and of course head over to that site, okay, and input it here, and you are good to go. You just click on continue, and of course congratulations, you click on close. We are done with it, and will be redirected to that Dr. X to see what's going on there. You can see we've completed it, and this is our wallet address reflecting here. So you can click here if you want to disconnect to put another wallet address, but I don't advise you to do that, which is why you need to have created your X account, your X portal account. Do your backup so that you have your wallet address. So that's going to be all. I'm sorry the video is lengthy, but it's worth it. Do it. This project is ending, the mining is ending on the 4th of December, and listing is already on the way. Let's see what we can make out of this. And then if you have questions or further concerns, confusions, or anywhere you need help, leave it in the comment section. And if you join my Telegram channel, you can as well DM me for more guides, and I'll be glad to help out. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.